Now let's see VFD and the motor connection. So right now I'm working with the VFD EL Delta, and these are the inputs to the VFD: line 1, line 2. This is the line 1, line 2, and the ground connection. These three are the inputs. Single phase VFD. This is the display from where I can run, stop, change the frequencies, mode, and enter the parameters. This is the indication of a frequency, run, forward, reverse, and the stop. This is the another knob to change the frequency. Okay, so this is the display. Let's see the output connections. So this is the three terminals. We'll go to the motor terminal. You can read here that 1, 2, and terminal 3. Okay, U, V, W. This is the three-phase output coming from the VFD and is directly connected to the motor. You can see here three terminals is connected here, and this is my three-phase and the ampere, internally delta connection, and HP 0.5 horsepower motor, three phase. So we are going to change the speed and the direction of the rotor through this VFD. So let's see another connections given to we need to provide to the VFD. So first is 24 volt output from the VFD. This MI1, master input 1, to MI6 are the inputs to the VFD to control the speed and the direction of the motor. Okay, multifunctional input it's called. Then the 10 volt output. Here the DCM, digital common. Okay, and AVI, AFM, and ACM. So the AVI is analog voltage input. This is the analog voltage input. Analog voltage input and analog current input we need to provide here. This is the analog common. This is the digital common, and this is the analog common. If you are going to work with the AVI, then you need to connect the ACI common. Okay, this is the frequency. So these are the terminals extra, and RA, RB, RC as the feedback terminals from the VFD. So these are the output terminals. So if you want to check the VFD's motor is running or not, what's the forward direction or reverse direction, so we can check it out from these three terminals, and the many functions done by this RA, RB, RC, and MI1 to MI6. Okay, so it's depending on your connections how you are going to do and how you are going to set the parameter over here. One more thing is here a small switches. You can see small switches over here. You can see here's the NPN and the PNP, and the second is AVI and ACI. So if you are going to give an input like a PNP, so you need to shift these towards the PNP, and if you are going to connect the terminals like NPN, so put it over on up NPN. Second is your knob is providing a voltage, analog voltage, so put it on a AVI, otherwise put it on a ACI if there is a current source to change the frequency. So these are the two deep switches you need to settle up as per your application. Okay, and there is next we will see the how to change and set up the wiring to control the motor. Okay, thank you.